How's it going, guys? Today just gonna make a quick video on how to replace some of these brake pad sensors. Yeah, they go bad with time, especially this is an 05, so it's been a while. But on this one, I think somebody changed it already because it's fairly new. So I might as well change it. Yeah, once you get like I said, the brake pads, rotors are all new. They're not new, a couple months old. Like I hardly drive this. It's my family vehicle, so it doesn't get driven that much. But like I said, light is always on, and I know it's on because the other side, for some strange reason, it doesn't have it. Like the whole wire for the sensor is gone. But yeah, it's right here. Yeah, come on. Move it back and forth. It comes off. Like I said, it's fairly new. Gets buttoned on right there. Put it right there. And it just feeds through. And for this one, you're gonna have to remove a plastic fender, the inner fender. So this one I know it's been done. Somebody did it already. You can see the cable right there. I've seen some people rip, make a tear right here, but you don't want to do that. Yeah, but that's how you do it. It's held on by a couple of these well, not a couple, a lot of these little stupid things. Yeah, these little holders. And just pull them out. It's got a couple. So then you gotta pry them out. Over here, it's supposed to have more, but for some reason it's missing a couple. I might have to buy some. It's supposed to have one here. Doesn't. Got two up here. Like I said, some of them are real easy to take off, and some they get real bad. You might have to use pliers. There's one up there. Damn, a little dusty up in here. So one back here. Yeah, like I said, some are easy, some are hard. Got that one. That's missing one up here. They had a screw here and one here, but it's missing that. It's got this one over here. Where'd it go? Okay, back there. I believe that's it for that. Yep, like I said, that's supposed to have a screw right there, and I think one over here, but for some reason it's not there no more. Then over here for this I don't know what it's called, splash guard or whatever. It's got two 5/16 little bolts. These are pretty easy to take off. The bottom has got a screw, Phillips screw. That one you're gonna have to throw some lube on it for a minute and bang it out, cause it's fucking hard sometimes. Yeah, once you take it off, yeah, it's a Phillips. Take it off and then you're good to go on that part. Now the next thing you gotta do, let me adjust my stuff. You gotta take this this plastic fender off. Pretty easy, pops off. Just grab it firmly. Oh, a lot of surprises there. Probably spiders and stuff. Yeah, like I said, clicks off real quick, and it's pretty simple to put on too. Oh, something's going on here. Okay, it's supposed to just come off real quick. Is that a screw? Oh, I believe it's got a screw somewhere. Right in there somewhere. Yep, that's a screw. So I guess you won't be able to access that one until you take the fender off, like I said. Oh, crusty. But it should just pop off. Come on. Yeah, I did it on the other side, it was way easier. Okay, that just happened. It's okay. Clips on real quick, like I said, it's got the little clips. Am I missing something here? See if nothing's clipped up. I have to push this one down like that. And out it comes. Like I said, you don't have to take the fender off all the way. Yeah, it's got a screw right in there. The other side doesn't have it, so yep. That's how it is. Like I said, you take it off, you unclip it. Pretty easy. And that's it. Yeah, like I said, you just swap it out, hook it back on, and I think this little thing goes right here, so it'll stay on right there. But yeah, that's the way to do it. Like I said, you just swap it out. Got my new one. Pretty quick job. In and out and good to go. Redo the whole thing, pop it in. So this pops in again. I kind of broke that one little piece, but it's okay. And that little piece. I have to replace that one. It's okay, no problem. But yeah, that's how you do it. How to replace a brake pad wear sensor. Alrighty, have fun.